How to use ChatGPT 5.6 for free. ChatGPT 5.6 is powerful, but you can use it for free with some limits. Here's how to maximize your usage. So start by creating a free OpenAI account at chat.openai.com or through the ChatGPT app on iOS or Android. Free accounts default to the latest model, ChatGPT 5.6. You can chat, generate text, and even create images. On desktop, use Chrome, Edge, or Safari. On mobile, the ChatGPT app supports text, voice, and image generation. Free tier includes text Q&A, summaries, creative writing, limited image generation, and voice mode for read aloud responses. There's a daily cap on queries and image generation. Unlimited use requires ChatGPT Plus at $20 per month. ChatGPT 5.6 is free, perfect for casual use. ChatGPT 5.6 free is perfect for casual use. If you hit limits daily, upgrading is the only way to go unlimited.